Hi guys, this is Rohit. So in this tutorial I'm gonna looking at text input. Let me tell you one thing. This form element can also hold paragraphs and headings. So I'm writing a paragraph here. So I have created a paragraph. I'm writing username. So now in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about four attributes. Those are type attribute, name attribute, size attribute, max length attribute. So let me create a an input. Well, it is a self-closing tag. Now I'm talking about the first attribute, that is type attribute. I am giving the value as text. That means it accepts text from the user. Now see this in browser. So I have a form which is asking for username, and that is it. And another attribute, that is name attribute. How this name attribute is used is when user enters information into form, the server needs to know which form control each piece of data was entered into. Therefore, each form controls require a name attribute. The value of this name identifies the form controls and is sent along with the information they enter to the server. So we work with this attribute more in server scripting language, that is PHP. So we work more on this attribute when you learn PHP, but for now it isn't useful. So another attribute, that is size attribute. This is suppose I want to increase the width of this form. I'm gonna use this size attribute. Now I'm giving the value as 50. Now save this and refresh the browser. Now my box width is increased. So that is it. And the next attribute, that is max length attribute. Max length. Suppose I'm giving what this max length attribute does is you can use the max length attribute to limit the number of characters a user may enter into the text field. Suppose I'm giving the value as 5. Now I'm entering some numbers, some characters. So now I'm giving the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I press 6, it doesn't accept. So I'm keep pressing 6, but it doesn't accepting. So that means we have given the max length as 5. That means it accepts characters up to 5 characters. So that is about max length. Let me recap one more time. I have spoken about type and the max length attribute, that is size attribute, and name attribute. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So in the next tutorials I'm gonna talk about passwords. So I'm gonna talk all about that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.